Check out this Jeep 2018 Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are SiriusXM satellite radio, black 3-piece hard top included, rear window defroster, freedom panel, storage bag, rear window wiper washer, trailer tow and HD electrical group included, class 2 receiver hitch, 240 amp alternator, 7 and 4 pin wiring harness, 700 amp maintenance free battery, auxiliary switches, engine 2.0 Li 4 turbo, a torque included, delete alternator, 700 amp maintenance free battery, supplemental heater, 48V belt starter generator, black leather trim seats with Sahara logo included, leather wrap park brake handle, number 1 seat foam cushion, premium wrapped IP bezels, leather wrapped shift knob, Apple CarPlay, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850 RE included.